This is the all-new Blackout Proof Razor, and the company claims it's the last one you'll ever need. But is a razor this slick on the outside just as good on your skin? Today we're putting its magnetic cap, pivoting head, and American-made quality to the test for the first shave to see if it really lives up to the hype. For years, we've been sold on the idea that more blades equal a better shave. We went from 2 blades to 3, then 5, all chasing that perfectly smooth feeling. But if you ever battled razor burn, painful bumps, and a nagging irritation, you know there's more to the story. What if the whole time less was actually more? This is the new fully blacked out version from Proof Razor. The whole concept here is simple. Reduce irritation by not scraping your skin 5 times in a single pass. Proof makes a bold claim that this razor is the only one you'll ever need. We're going to unbox it, get up close with all its features, and most importantly, put it to the ultimate test. A first shave. We'll see how it feels, how it performs, and find out if it's truly worth making the switch. I mean, it's almost on autopilot. It's that good. All right, we've got the new Proof Razor blacked out. Here's the unboxing of it. You get the razor, you get a razor stand where you can, mount it in your shower or on your wall, which is pretty cool. And then they give you 5 double-edged blades that they've snapped in half for you. And these are Persona comfort coats. So this company is based out of Montana, USA, and these blades are, from Virginia, which is awesome. I've done a shave with the brass one. I gotta tell you, it's one of my favorite ones. The design of this thing is crazy good. I mean, it's got a pivoting head on it, right? And it's got serrations up here on the top cap. So it's supposed to alleviate some of the drag on your skin, which, drag equals razor burn, in my opinion. The cap of it right here, I take this off for you here. It's got 2 magnets down here, one here and here, and then it locks in up top and on the bottom, and you can see there's magnets here as well. So when it clicks in, it snaps in nicely. It's well built. The black on this is just gorgeous. I think they did one hell of a design on it, and we're going to be going over that in today's video. Again, these are Persona comfort coats. So they just snapped them in half for you. So you open these up. What I love about Persona comfort coats are there's no goo or glue on them. It's going to take this top cap off, right? And then take the blade. I like the tabs pointing down, and you just drop it on top here. The magnets are going to automatically seat it in for you. And then you just take the top cap and slide it on. Did you hear it click? Let me show you that again. Listen to the sound of this thing. Automatically goes in it. Crazy. So if you look at the blade reveal of it, wow, with that black, you can barely see it. It's really cool. Now the razor itself is made out of aluminum. It's CNC milled, but yeah, it's got an anodized finish to it. So this thing's going to be pretty much indestructible. Now there is a, a spring on the back, but these springs, what I've been told are like, hey, if it ever breaks, we'll just ship you out another one. I guess it just pops out in and out real easy. They're like, it's not really that big of a deal, because some people have said that in one of my other videos. So I'm just gonna put some more water on this. But with these razors, who's this razor meant for? Well, if you're using a Gillette, Chick Bic, any type of cartridge razor, and you're just tired of paying that premium price, or you have irritation from it like most of us do when we make the switch to a safety razor, this is a great alternative right here. This thing is just a beauty. Now, I haven't shaved with this particular model, but let's go in and see how it does. The nice thing with that pivoting head is I don't have to focus on angle at all. That is nice. See how it does here on the neck? Nice pass. Again, clears out very nicely. Really good pass there. Let's go over here. And that lather was really huge. Made it so slick, this thing wants to just move on my face. I mean, it's almost on autopilot. It's that good. I mean, yeah, it's crazy good, brother. It's just crazy good. Underneath the nose. I mean, that's where it's going to get a little more difficult for people that shave underneath their nose like I do. But other than that, I don't think a lot of people do that. I mean, this thing is just that easy. All right, let's give that a rinse. Yeah, it's ultra smooth, actually. Not as heavy as the brass razor, but man, it's very smooth. That right there is very good. I mean, I could stop right there and call it good, but I'm going to go in and do a 2-pass variation shave. For me, I get some really good results by doing this way. Now, after you map your face and you know which part of your face is sensitive, or your neck, which means it's my neck, now you can go in and do a cleanup pass and get this thing baby butt smooth. It's going to have like a glass-like finish. Look how smooth that freaking soap is. Now I'm just going to go across the grain on my cheeks, against the grain on my lower neck, and call it good. I mean, this would actually teach you how to shave offhanded because, you know, it's going to flex for you. You don't have to press hard. All I'm doing is letting it sit on my skin, letting it break a little bit, and then just pulling it across the skin. That's how you're going to want to shave with this. Right? So let me demonstrate that. Break, sit it on your face, right? Break it just to put enough pressure on it, and then pull it across your face. That's how you use this razor. I highly recommend it. This thing right here is just a winner. All right, let's go through our post-shave routine here. And I'm just switching this to cold water. I shave on lukewarm water. Get that all the time. I don't shave on scalding hot. I'm just switching to my alum block right here. This one's by Parasso. I've used the Parasso, the Parker, and they're both really good. And the GSBs. So your face is wet and you're just going to run this over it. Now what an alum block is going to do is help repair the skin. Right? It's going to help close the pores. If there's any redness, it's going to help reduce the inflammation. Just a great tool when you're shaving for your post-shave routine. I've got zero stinging. I mean, that's how good that shave was. This alum block is the tell-all. All right, so I generally rub it on my face for, 30 seconds, and then I rinse it off. Okay, then I go in with my towel, just dry my face real quick. Okay, now I go in with Thayer's. This is the #1 selling product on my channel. I highly recommend this. This was viewers of the channel, telling me to try it years ago, and I finally did. And wow, they were right. This stuff is awesome. I put it, if you're a bald guy, put it on your head. You're going to love it. I put it on my head every single day. It's that good. Now, it goes on super, super slick. So if you're going over top of it with like Nivea or any type of aftershave balm, it's going to help melt it into your face. But I want to give the Skin Food and Aftershave Splash from Marion and Evans a try. Ooh, look at that color. Smells pretty good too. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby, baby. Yeah, that smells really good. So what's the final verdict on this? I gotta tell you, my hands are a little slick right now. I like how easy it is to load. The way the blade is seated in here with the top cap, I mean, it's just automatic. Listen. So good. If you're someone looking for a razor, you've been using a cartridge razor for years now and you're tired of the expense and, for a lot of us, any type of skin irritation, this razor is definitely a great option. I like it because it's so effortless. Once you get that on your face, right, give it just a little bit of pressure to break the bend point of it, right? So now it's just breaking the bend point and then just pulling it across your face with one of these Persona blades, which is, in my opinion, one of the best blades ever made. Total flawless shave for you. If you have any questions or concerns, drop a comment down below and let's start a conversation. You guys have a great week, and I will see you guys next Sunday at 11 a.m. First time opening it, my hands are, oh, hello. Thanks, Peter, for sealing that. That's pretty smart. Oh, yeah, that makes that easier.